Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to the questions pertaining to the VA section of the paper. So if you talk about the VA section in general, so what we have seen that we haven't really had any significant changes for the pattern and the kind of question that has been asked. So the pattern remained almost same to the previous year's paper itself, but one thing that can be denied that this year the questions were a little bit on the difficult side. That is, they required a more in-depth understanding of the subject matter for them to solve. So we'll take a look at the few questions from the paper itself. We'll try and understand the approach towards the same, and also we'll go and solve this question so that whenever we have to basically acquaint ourselves, so that whenever we come across this kind of questions further down the line in any examination, we are easily able to solve the same. Okay, so having said that, let's focus on the question in front of us. In the following passage, some of the words have been left out. Okay, so first read the passage and then try to understand what it's about, then fill the blanks with the help of alternatives given. Okay, so let's go with the passage. As well as I could have made out, she had come for good and had no intention of ever going back. Okay, so this is talking about basically a woman who has come and does not want to go back. She began dash help my mother dash so there's dash morning and was dash and out of the store dash out of dash store closet all dash put into things and making havoc in the old arrangement. Okay, so this is talking about a person who is coming to their house and basically doesn't have no intention towards leaving. Okay, so with all that said, let's start. She began dash help my mother. So of to help my mother, because the help was being provided to the mother. Okay, help is provided to the mother. So here we'll have two. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, so now mother dash morning and was. So dash morning, what tomorrow morning? No, we cannot use tomorrow morning. Next morning, yes, this could be very well, because we are indicating which morning we are talking about. So next morning could very well be the word. Later morning, wrong. Soon morning, again wrong. So this will be next morning and was dash of the so and was and was dash and out. Okay, so what and out? So and out. So if we go with the same out and out, wrong. Off and out, no, off and out is not a term, so this is also wrong. Off out, wrong. In and out. Okay, in and out is basically a proverbial verb, basically going somewhere and entering, going out in somewhere and out of somewhere. That particular thing is denoted by the phrase in and out. So 40 will be in, okay, in and out of dash store. So dash store. So what can be dash in this case? So store can be defined with an article, and necessary article. So the should be ideal. Okay, their store, then store, the store does not make sense. So it will be the store. Okay, I hope this is clear. Closet all dash putting things to right and making havocs in the old arrangement. So closet all dash. So what means? So all days, because it's talking about old arrangement. So what we know is something has been talking about a period, a time period has been been talked about in this part. Okay, so what can be days? Yes, days could very well be the answer, but again all days or all day, because days could be a period of time, but what period of time is being specifically talking about is the arrangement is that her day-to-day activity. So her day-to-day activity is the days in this case can be a little doubtful, so day should be the right word we can use in this case. Okay, so I'm going to reject all the other things. Right. So all day will be right. So basically 38 will be 2, 39 will be next, 40 will be in, 41 will be the, and 42 will be day. I hope this is clear to you. In case you have any doubt, just go through the video. So it should come in easy. This was a fairly easy question. All we had to do was understand the passive flow. Having said that, in case you're looking to get yourself a fully solved solution of the same, of the entire paper, be it your QA, BA, RC and the LRDS section as well, feel free to connect with us on this. So we'll provide you with the fully detailed solution paper of the same as well. So for that, what you can do is basically go through the description section of the video, where you will find a bunch of details like our website URL, our email addresses, and also our phone numbers on which you can call, text or WhatsApp us. Feel free to connect with us in case you have any doubt with respect to exam preparations in general. We'll be more than happy to help you out with those as well. So with all that said and done, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to this channel so that we will keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. We'll be continuing our discussion on the similar sort of questions in the subsequent videos as well. So until then, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.